Good morning, Bitcoin. Today is Wednesday, January 29th, 2020. My name is Thomas Hunt, and here's what's happening today in Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin was up 0.01% in the last 24 hours, with a last of 9,383, a high of 9,412, and a low of 8,998. That's $1 for 10,651 Satoshis. Checking out our top stories, there's something very strange going on with Bitcoin exchange LocalBitcoins. That's right, reports began coming around this week that local Bitcoin users across Africa, the Middle East, and Asia have had their accounts deactivated. Messages seen by this reporter were sent to account holders by LocalBitcoins in countries including Afghanistan, Iraq, Nigeria, Syria, and Pakistan, informing them that they could withdraw their Bitcoins by deleting their account. LocalBitcoins, the peer-to-peer Bitcoin exchange, which was founded in 2012 and headquartered in Helsinki, Finland, was unable to be reached for comment. This comes on the heels of LocalBitcoins not being so local anymore, and everyone pretty much not wanting to use them anymore. But they continue to be popular and spread the word about Bitcoin. Many people don't even know what a Bitcoin wallet is. They just keep their money in local Bitcoins. Bitcoin has lost steam, but criminals still love it. The New York Times. The police hope that taking down online black markets would chase away criminals, but the amount of Bitcoin spent on illegal purposes has reached a new high. Just like we all said it would, the last few months have not been good for Bitcoin. The value of the digital tokens has steadily dropped. Not sure what last 3 months he's talking about. Okay. Bitcoin trading on cryptocurrency exchanges has also slowed. And using Bitcoin to buy legal items, that has dropped. But one corner of the Bitcoin economy is still going strong: the sale of illegal drugs and other types of law breaking. Once again, Bitcoin is designed to be similar to cash in that you can spend it or use it for anything. This is going to keep happening. But right now, you can see everything about Bitcoin thanks to Chainalysis' new crypto crime report. Let's not take the New York Times word for it. Let's check it out for ourselves right here. Dark market activity higher than ever in 2019 despite closures. How does law enforcement respond? Obviously with more closures. More closures. More closures. He said more closures. Yes, of course, the absurdity must continue. Looking at some charts and graphs, dark market revenue versus dark market share of all cryptocurrency received by services 2013 to 2019. Looks like it used to be about 0.25% in around 2013, and it's grown by about fivefold to 1.25. 1.25% of all cryptocurrency is darknet market. So, woo, less than 2%. I mean, it's a lot, sure, but the New York Times, I mean, they're really getting excited over 2%. Origins of funds sent to darknet markets, P2P exchanges, high-risk exchanges leading the charts. Destination of funds leaving darknet markets, exchanges. So it seems like the exchanges are part of the problem. A number of active darknet markets versus average value per darknet market. Wow, it looks like it's gone up and up. Actually, it looks like it's plateaued, really, if you really want to say. Dark market growth has plateaued. There could be over there, or maybe there's another run. Still a chance to start your dark market. And I like this chart a lot. It's like the number of transfers sent to darknet markets is very, very, very up, but the median amount sent is about the same or actually down. So the amount of money is down, but the number of transfers. So more people are using it, but they have less or around the same amount of money. So it's not really growing in the same way that you might consider a horrible pandemic if you were, say, the New York Times. But let's keep moving. Bitcoin's privacy is in danger as crypto companies clamp down on coin mixing services, Jameson, Lopp. Multiple cryptocurrency exchanges are stepping up their efforts to block anonymous cryptocurrency transactions, and Lopp sees this as an attack on Bitcoin's privacy. There was recently a message that was received from, let's see, what was the exchange? It was called Paxos. Paxos recently followed other crypto exchanges that want to prevent any coin join transactions. Twitter user Ronald McHoddled shared an email from the company's support team where he was asked to clarify whether there was a withdrawal to a known mixing service. Paxos joins other exchanges who have warned, such as I think it was Binance Singapore right here, sent a warning to its customer who happened to send coins to the privacy-oriented crypto wallet Wasabi. As we've all talked about, the battle over this coin join and this privacy will continue until Bitcoin becomes private. We're getting closer and closer, but as you can see here, even if it was private, if you couldn't send the coins to the mixing service, you couldn't even start the first step of privacy. So I'm sure someone will think of something. Multi-billion-dollar Bitcoin launderer is charged in France. Alexandre Vinick, who we might have all forgot about, but who's alleged to have run Bitcoin exchange BTC-E, the famous unknown exchange. No one knew where it was from. Everyone always was wondering. And much like many other exchanges, it worked great until it stopped working. As it says here, BTC-E is a crypto exchange that helped numerous criminals move money illegally and anonymously. Furthermore, the exchange is also supposedly tied to the Russian military hacking unit, which is also connected to manipulations of Democrats' emails during the 2016 U.S. elections. Well, not really tied, but the Russians allegedly used BT-E to send their money in and out and to pay for the operation. So I don't think that they were operationally connected, but they were a hop that was used during the attack. The case is extremely complicated, and many expect that it will take a long time to have it completely resolved. We've been following this. This is he was arrested in Greece in 2017, and of course, BTC, the exchange, was popular before that in the old days, 2015, stuff like that. So, continuing to follow this story as the trial continues. Hey, check out our Bitcoin fundraiser on Mad Bitcoins. If you like this show, donate now with Bitcoin or Lightning to the QR code on your goal. We're 19.84% towards our goal. Will someone be able to push it over 20%? So far, the main thing that's been helping our fundraiser has been the price of Bitcoin going up. We used to need around 2 Bitcoin for this fundraiser. Now it's down to a nice 1.59 Bitcoin. So if you sent 1.59 Bitcoin, less than 2, to this fundraiser, it'd be great. I could pay off all my credit cards. But that's about it for this quick update episode of Today in Bitcoin. We still have a minute and 14 seconds left on the clock, so I can go ahead and check in. Yesterday, the Magic 8 Ball told you that the price of Bitcoin would go up. It said it is certain. Today, let's go ahead and check in. Will the price of Bitcoin continue going up? Keeping in mind the coronavirus in China, the impeachment story going on, the State of the Union, the Oscars, all of this going on. Magic 8 Ball, there's 49 seconds left in the show. I ask you, will the price keep going up? Concentrate and ask again. Concentrate and ask again. We've got 30 seconds left. I don't know where the comments are. You in the comments there. That's a great comment. Yes, it is time to like and subscribe. Like update. The recent Bitcoin group episode, we are getting very close to 100 likes. One of the previous episodes did get 105 likes. Episodes of this show have gotten maybe 60, 70 likes. Remember, if we get more likes, YouTube will recommend our show to other people and more people will watch the show. We're running out of time. We're going to be right back with Bitcoin Talk Show very soon. Until next time, this has been Today in Bitcoin, your 10-minute update about Bitcoin. It's over. It's over.